Business owners, marketers, creators, freelancers. Have you ever wished your pitch could sell for you? Not just show your offer, but actually explain it, answer questions, handle objections, and close deals, even when you're not there. Because let's be honest, right now, you're repeating yourself on calls, on DMs, on Zoom, on WhatsApp, on emails. Same pitch, different people, again, and still. People ask the same questions. They hesitate. They disappear. Because your content is silent. Your pages don't talk. Your videos don't respond. Your funnels don't adapt. And confused people never buy. That's the real problem. Introducing Pitchora AI, the world's first AI pitch sales agent. Not just a tool, not just a builder, but a pitch that actually sells for you. Now imagine this. You enter a simple idea, or paste a website URL, or upload your existing content. And within seconds, Pitchora AI transforms it into a fully interactive pitch. That doesn't just look good. It explains, it responds, it qualifies, and it converts automatically, even when you're not there. And then it adds something no page, no video, no funnel has ever had before. A real AI pitch agent that talks, moves, explains, and responds in real time. Your pitch doesn't just sit there anymore. It sells. Let me show you what this means. If you're an affiliate marketer, create interactive review pitches that pre-sell products automatically. If you're a course creator, let your pitch explain your course, answer questions, and increase conversions. If you're a SaaS founder, replace boring demos with interactive pitch experiences that users can explore. If you're a freelancer, send interactive pitches instead of PDFs, and close clients without calls. If you run an agency, offer AI pitch agents as a service and charge $500, $1,000, even $3,000 plus per client. If you're in MMO, create pitches for offers that actually talk back to your audience. Every niche, every market. If you need to explain something, you need Pitchora AI. Here's where it gets powerful. Your visitors can ask questions inside your pitch, and your AI pitch agent responds instantly, in voice and text, like a real conversation. No more, let me get back to you. I'll send details later. Everything happens on the spot. Turn your pitch into a sales system. You can capture leads, add CTAs, guide visitors step by step, track behavior, identify serious buyers. Your pitch becomes a 24/7 sales machine, explaining, qualifying, and closing. And it works in multiple languages. Reach global audiences without recording multiple videos, without hiring teams, scale without limits. And the best part? It takes just 3 simple steps. Create, enter a prompt URL or content. Customize, choose your AI presenter, voice, and flow. Share and close, let your pitch explain, answer, and sell automatically. No coding, no tech skills, no complexity. And we didn't stop there. Every click, every question, every lead, captured inside a built-in CRM. Track, manage, and grow from one dashboard. But here's the bigger opportunity. You're not just getting a tool, you're entering a new category. AI pitch sales agents. You can sell interactive pitches as a service. Build your own agency. Create niche-specific pitch systems. Turn your skills into income. Because businesses don't need more content. They need better explanation. They need interaction. They need sales systems. And that's exactly what Pitchora AI gives them. Imagine this, never repeating your pitch again, never chasing leads, never missing opportunities. Because your pitch is working for you. 24/7, right now. During this special launch, you can get Pitchora AI at a one-time price. No monthly fees, no recurring costs, and you're protected with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So there's zero risk, but massive upside. The future of selling isn't static. It's interactive. It speaks. It responds. It converts. Click the button below now and turn your pitch into a 24/7 AI sales agent with Pitchora AI.